Well, I'm an associate member, associate partner of the Harmony project. We signed up this year because I think the big data is particularly important for blood cancer research, as it brings together lots of interactions that you can't dissect by just looking at individual patients. And even smaller trials give you some information, but by looking at the whole cohort together, you're really going to be able to identify trends and interactions that you just can't find otherwise. So blood cancer, it can bring together hematologists and researchers and bioinformaticians to do this interaction and networking. Hopefully it can bring together better classifications, but in the future identify better ways of treating people so you have the right treatment for the right person at the right time.